What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm just going to share a quick video explaining my seed starting setup. So you can see that I have some of my overwintering plants, such as my hibiscus, my geraniums, and jalapeno there in the back. But the main star of the show today is the seed starting setup. So what I have here is just your typical Jiffy tray and hex cell. I'm only going to be planting about 36 seeds, so this is why you only see half of the tray in here. Then I have the bottom tray here, which I will be using for bottom watering. I'll go over that in a separate video, but that's very important, bottom watering. And then we might wonder what this is here. So this here is an aquarium heater. When I do start my seeds, what I will be doing is filling this, up about halfway with water, probably about 3-4 gallons, and then this aquarium heater will heat the water, and because of course heat rises, it will help heat the soil up and keep the soil warm enough for my seeds to germinate, because I'll be doing a bunch of flowers, a bunch of peppers and tomatoes, and of course you can see it's currently only 43 degrees. It will be warming up as the spring goes on, but that is my basic seed starting setup. I just want you to take these ideas and make them your own. I personally do not feel comfortable using a heat mat in a totally separate room because there is a small chance of a fire. I have seen reviews online with some of them. If you've never had a problem with a certain heat mat on Amazon or wherever, please leave a comment and I might go ahead and check that out next year. So, until I see you in the next video, please subscribe to see more gardening content, especially as I start my seeds. And one last mention I want to make note is I have a 4-foot LED shop light, as you can see there, to provide light to my seeds, which I will also go into detail why you do not need grow lights in a separate video. So subscribe if you want to see that.